Alright, hey there viewers. So today I'm going to be replacing the spark plugs on my friend's, I was going to say a Hyundai Sonata, but this is a Kia Optima, same thing. But yeah, so first things first, you just got to remove this engine cover, right? And they're just on rubber grommets, right? And yeah, oh look, there's a little nest in there. And some insulation. Oh, that's where it's been gnawing at, I guess. So, I mean, like you can already see little paw prints on the engine cover here, but oh well. That's what happens when you park outside. Rodents like to stay warm for the winter time. But you know, spark plugs are super easy to do on these things. You just got 4 spark plugs. You know, you've got this little locking tab here. Just gotta pull up and squeeze, right? 10 mils, 10 mil. Some GDI, you might have trouble getting the coils off because of the high pressure fuel pump here, but not in this case. So just pull these out. And there, you're pretty much halfway done. So I'm just gonna grab myself a 10 mil and get those 10 mils off for the ignition coils. So once you get your ignition coils out, grab yourself a spark plug socket. It's a 5/8, and you know spark plugs are super easy to do. So you know if you want to attempt it yourself, go for it. Other than like the spark plugs itself, it's these are about 20 something bucks a pop. So you're well over $100 on 4 spark plugs. At least you'll save on labor. Usually spark plugs are like, I think 0.4 to do labor time. And yeah, so nowadays shop rates are like $175 an hour. So 0.4, just a little bit, half of that. That's like, come on, do math. I'm Asian. As I say, like 65 bucks. 60, no, not 65 bucks. Yeah, definitely not 65. It's like close to $80, and then you got tax and everything. So you're pretty close to $200 for getting spark plugs replaced at a shop. So yeah, I've got the spark plugs out. I laid them out in the order of the cylinders, and what I always like to do is inspect the spark plugs and see if they tell you anything. One of these looked different than the other, and it's this one. That white color, that thing kind of tells me, or this spark plug kind of tells me number 3 cylinder is possibly burning some oil. And these ones all look pretty normal. You can see, yeah, comparison. You can see it's kind of, my camera can pick that up. Yeah, it's like that white ashy color. So yeah, probably maybe burning some oil in that 3rd cylinder there. So the spark plugs I picked up are, just the OEM at my Hyundai dealership. And yeah, that's the part number. So yeah, anyways, installation is the reverse order of removal, I guess. So I'm just going to put these back in, and yeah. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.